What's happening, everyone? It's Mark again. I'm here chilling at the warehouse. I got my little man. He's loving it. He's playing with the snow. We just came back from Walmart. We did a couple of errands, and I had to go get some what is it? Shipping plastic containers here. It's for just for inventory. I'm getting more stuff, so I need more plastic bins. That one's filled up, and oh, actually, matter of fact, perfect timing. These two Genesis seats. Hold on, let me switch the. Hey guys, so I'm here in my garage warehouse. I'm showing you these two Genesis Coupe seats, all black leather. I have a customer who's coming to pick them up. I've had these seats for probably, I want to say 2 years or reaching 2 years. I think I got them in the summer of 2017. Yeah, that was that summer nights. I was trying to get these modified onto my car, but it wasn't working. I had to get a custom brackets for them. I had to, something that tells me that I had to do something with my studs on the anchors that were in the car. But I didn't want to do that because I was just thinking about the safety of my kids. It wasn't gonna happen. My wife and kids, especially my wife who sits on the passenger side, and now that my kid's older, he sits on the passenger side. And it's just that I want it to be secure. And another reason is that I didn't know how to connect the airbag lights to the wiring harness that the Sonata has. So it wasn't gonna work. It felt like I was gonna open a can of worms, something I couldn't handle. So I had them here in the garage for pretty much, yeah, close to a year, 2 years. They're very pretty, very nice. So clean. Feel pretty much brand new. Now the story about these, I got these sets on eBay, and the guy that sold them to me, I paid about 400 and change. The guy, he totaled the back end of his Genesis, and the airbags didn't deploy, but he was gonna total the car. And because the back seats were destroyed. Everything was pretty much destroyed from the back seats from pretty much the back seats all the way to the trunk, the wheels. But everything on the front was okay, except for the door handles, he said. The door handles were pretty much like kind of smushed in as well. But surprisingly, the seats were okay. I checked the airbag, everything seems okay. He gave me a price a little over $450. No, I think under $450. And I love them. I love the way they feel. I love the way they look inside the Sonata. But there was nothing I can do about them. They weren't going to work in my car. So I just recently, probably about 2-3 months ago, I posted them online. I want to say actually I broke them apart. I was selling the headrest. People were watching them, but nobody was really biting. And then I had the some of the parts from underneath the seats, and I was selling them, but nobody was really biting. So I said, you know what? Let me just sell them as a whole. And that's what I did. Sold them as a whole, and 3 months later, somebody... I had 2 potential buyers. One was about a month ago, but then he couldn't make it. He didn't want to make that trip over here because this is only pickup only. So the person that's coming to pick these up are from eBay, pickup only. He bought them for $360. I paid about $440 and change, or yeah, I think it was $440 and change. The reason why I don't want to sell it for that price is because it was $440 and change, and I had the guy ship it to me because I had no way how to bring it over here. So that was already included. But this guy, so I decided now it's my turn to sell them because I can't use them. And I decided to have them for $360, pickup only. And the guy that's coming, he's coming from Jersey. I'm just waiting for him now. He said he's going to be here by 4. It's about 4:10. Let's see what happens. Yeah, but they are nice. They are nice. Alrighty. I'm just making a nice video because this is going to be the last time they're here. And they used to be right over there, taking up space. Now I can kind of move that to the side so I can have a free doorway. That's a doorway that leads to the backyard. And now I can start moving forward with the money that I'm going to get with these. I'm actually going to invest in another shelf. I'm probably going to get it this weekend and just start getting more bins for more products. All right, guys. I'm going to check you guys out later.